Hello my friends, I introduce myself. My name is Christopher. I will pay attention to how a manual multimeter works. First step is to set the multimeter to ohm mode. It depends on what you want to measure. This time I want to measure the LED with the selector directed to ohms.
Calibrate to 0 while attaching both red and black probes as in the video. Sorry guys, the sound is a bit noisy, so I turned off the sound for a moment.
After you calibrate, it's time the lows are higher.
Sorry, I said something wrong, so see the description below.
Red probe to the short leg or an anode on the red leg and the black probe on the cathode if it light up the LED is not damaged.
And I will try on different LED. I remind you that the red and black probes are usually part of electrical measuring instruments such as multimeters. The red probe indicates the positive pole, plus, while the black probe indicates the negative pole. These probes are used to connect the measuring instrument to the circuit or component to be measured.
After the remove the probes from the LED test point carefully to avoid the short circuit. Finally, turn on the multimeter and the store probe to measure its longevity. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.